Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Okay, in this video we are going to see right how to mouse over right with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so if I take this ICC bank application, if I go from personal right I should able to right move my mouse from personal and I should go to payments. Okay, so if I see hover on personal, then right I should go to payments. Okay, so like that, right, let's see how we can mouse over with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so now let's go to right and create a new file here. Okay, the file name will be mouse hover .js. Okay, let's mouse over right here. Okay, now let me take any basic code. Okay, for example, right, I'll go to the previous video code. Let me copy it. Okay, so let me copy it and delete right the all the other things. Okay, so now let me delete it. Okay, now right, so I'm just I can delete this line also. Okay, okay, now right, first line of code is right, I'm importing the Chromium package from the Playwright. Right, so we are going to launch a Chromium browser, so I just right importing this package. Next one is I'm adding async in our code, so that it's going to await each task or right operation which are going to handle the application. By default we can use this async for handling the wait. Okay, now in the next line of code, I'm going to launch with the launch method. I'm going to launch the Chromium browser and store it in a reference called browser, and I'm going to run in a headless state is equal to false. So if I give headless state equal to false, it's going to run in the background. Hope you watched all the previous videos from the very first. Okay, so kindly watch all the previous videos from the very first. Okay, next one is I'm just going to add the context right. Um, in our code, so that it's going to create a new Chromium right profile, a new session, so that right we can do all the tasks. Right, creates a separate session here. Okay, now after creating a context, I'm going to add a new blank empty page in the context, which launches a Chromium browser. Okay, so I'm adding this three lines of code, so it launches a Chromium browser and creates a new context, and with the help of new page method it creates an right empty blank page. Okay, now we are going to automate the ICC bank application, so I'm just going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so as I told you, right, we should first hover on the personal, and then next we are going to right go to the payments and we are going to click it. Okay, so first we should write the code right, so that we are going to hover the payment. Okay, so first, right, let me go. Okay, and I will go here. I will add. Okay, and okay, I will add await page. Okay, and I will add right page dot hover. I'll use the hover method, and I will locate the particular right whatever element I'm going to hover. So for example, right, I'll go here and I'll right click inspect it. So it's going to write 1 minute. Okay, it's going to the tag name is button, so I'm going to give button, and then I'm going to add hash text. Okay, we are going to find with the text. Okay, hash hyphen text, and then I'm going to go and give double quotes. Right, and I'm going to right, close it. Okay, so I'm just going to give there, and 1 minute. Okay, now it's going to give one, right. Okay, let me close it. Okay, now let's go and we'll take the text now. The text is personal. Let me copy the text and go there and paste it. So we are going to, right, 1 minute. Okay, so we are going to search the text called personal, and we are going to locate it and hover into it. Okay, so we I just inspected the, so if you see, right, personal, it's locating the personal, right, link there. Okay, now after hovering to personal, we want to go to payment. Okay, before that, I'll wait for some time. Okay, I will give page dot, okay, wait for, okay, timeout. Okay, and I'm going to give 2000, right, milliseconds. Okay, now I'm just give 2 seconds. I'm just holding it off. Okay, and I'll just make sure I'll print also console dot log. Okay, and I will print forward to personal. Okay, let me print it, confirm it hovered or not. Okay, now let's write, we hover to personal. Let's again write, we'll go to the payment part now. Okay, wait, page dot wait for selector. We'll make it till the selector is visible, the element is visible. For that, I'm using a method called as await, right, wait for selector. Then I'll go here, and we need to locate the payment, right. So I'll see the text called as payment. Okay, let me go and copy this syntax. Okay, the same thing, it's starting with an a. Okay, a tag, so we need to change it to a here instead of button. Okay, and the text is, right, payments. Okay, let me copy payments and come there and paste it. Okay, so it's going to find a text called as payment, and it's going to wait till it gets visible here. Okay, now after that, what I'm going to do is, right, we need to locate it also and click it. Okay, we need to click the payment, right. So I'll just copy it, and I'll go here. Instead of wait, I'm going to click it. Okay, now what it does, it goes here and it should click the payment. Okay, now click the text which has the payment text. Okay, now let's print this also. Click payments. Okay, now it's done, right. 1 minute. Okay, we'll add this to code. Okay, so now it waits for 5 seconds. After clicking, it's wait for 5 seconds and it's closing the browser. Okay, let me save it and open a new terminal. Let me go to the folder of test. There only I have a script. Okay, cd test. I went into the folder. Let me run the code now. Mouse hover .js. Okay, okay, it's launched a Chromium browser. It launching the right URL. It hovered personal and it clicked the payment. You can see, right. It clicked the payment. it should close the browser. So it hover to personal and it click the payment. Let me run the code again so you can see. So launch the Chromium browser and it click personal, hover personal and click the payment. You can see, right, the payment is highlighted and it clicked it. Okay. This is how you can write hover with the help of Playwright with Java. Okay, first you should give navigate method, go to method, to the application, and which one you should hover, right, you should locate it and you can print it, console it, then you can wait for 2 seconds, then we should make sure the whatever element we are clicking, it's right visible. For that I'm adding wait for selector, just make it visible, and then click the right whatever element I located with has text. Okay, if I located the text and I located with the help of that, then I waited for 5 seconds, then I close the browser. Okay, so this is how right we can write hover with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you very soon the very next part of video. Have a nice day. Bye.